In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable ATM withdrawal fee free abroad with Monzo card. Let's get started. Monzo gives you a pass on some ATM fees, but it depends on your account type and where you are traveling. Within the UK and EEA, unlimited fee free withdrawals. If not, up to €400 every 30 days, then 3% fee beyond that. Outside the EEA, free account, €200 every 30 days, then 3% fee. Plus account, 400 free, then 3%. Premium perks max account, 600 free, then 3%. That 30-day clocks reset exactly 30 days after your first withdrawal, not the calendar month. And if you share a joint account, those limits are shared across accounts. Become Monzo's main bank. Getting main bank status gives you the biggest fee withdrawal cushion. Monzo considers you a main bank if, in the last 35 days, 500 plus euro deposited and at least one active debit card, or you have received DWP or DFC payments or a student loan in the past 8 days. Check your status anytime via the app. Tap on your account with 3 dots, fees and allowances. Avoid ATM operator fees. Some ATMs slap you with their own fee before Monzo even gets involved. That's a separate cost from Monzo's. Always choose local currency at withdrawals. ATM often push you to pay in British pounds. That's called dynamic currency conversion. And it stings. ATMs or merchants throw in a lousy exchange rate. Always reject that nonsense and pick the local currency. So Monzo via MasterCard handles the conversion at a reasonable rate, and that's it. These are some ways to enable ATM withdrawal fee free abroad with Monzo card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.